Good day, students. Today, I want to consider solving problem under trigonometry. Um, we are given sine x to be 5/13. What you need to do is draw a right angle triangle. First thing, draw a right angle triangle. Okay, we draw it. This is angle theta. Okay, we are given x. Let's represent it with x. Okay, and you write SOHCAHTOA. Since we are dealing with sine x, we are given sine x to be 5/13. Write sine x equals opposite over hypotenuse. O stands for opposite, H stands for hypotenuse, and these are our opposite. The line that is facing the angle is the opposite. The down is the adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. The longest side is the hypotenuse. And sine x equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cos x equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan x equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Now let's look for the adjacent. Now the square of the addition of the two small sides is equals to the square of the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. Now, using Pythagoras theorem, you also get the adjacent so that you can get the other angles, the other sides, to be able to get the cos x and tan x. Now write adjacent squared plus opposite squared equals hypotenuse squared. What are adjacent? Is that what you are looking for? Adjacent squared plus opposite, which is 5 squared, equals to hypotenuse 13 squared. Adjacent squared plus 5 squared is 25, equals to 169. Collect the like terms. Adjacent squared equals 169 minus 25. 125 cross to the other side, cross the equal sign, turn to negative. Adjacent squared equals 169 minus 25, that's 144. Now find the square root of both sides. Okay, so that these two will cancel the square root. The adjacent now equals 12. Now this adjacent now is 12. Now let's see. We said x is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. That means that when you look for this angle x, when you find the sine inverse, when you look for 5/13 and find the sine inverse of it, or cos, you find the angle which is x by looking for cos inverse of whatever you have. The angle must be between 0 and 90 degree. That's what they are saying. X is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. What I'm trying to say is that when you divide 5/13 and you find the sine inverse of it, you get your x, and that x must be between this angle. When you are getting, so that it will be a guide for you not to make mistake when you are looking for angle. If you get the angle x greater than, when you divide it 5/13, or when you are doing solving the problem and you now look for tan, look for the x, and you notice that the angle is greater than what you are having here between the range of this, means that there's a problem somewhere. Okay, now we have gotten the adjacent. We now go over what is cos theta. Cos x cos x, by using x to represent the theta. Since that what you are given, let's use what is being given. Cos x equals adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, and what's the adjacent? The adjacent is 12 over 13. As for tan x equals opposite over adjacent. And what's the opposite? That's 5. Gotten that over here. What you use here, we use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Here we're making use of Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, we use this. We get this value. Now 5 over adjacent is 5 over 12. Now go back to our expression, which is 2 sine x cos x over 2 tan x equals 2 sine x is given 5 over 13 times cos x 12 over 13 divided by 2 times what's tan x 5 over 12. Now you don't have from here. Now you have is equals to 2 times 5, which is, you can still leave it like that, 2 times 5 over 13 times 12 over 13. Okay, divided by 10 over 12. 10 over 12, 2 times 5 is 10 over 12. Now that it equals to 2 times 5 is also 10 over 13 times 12 over 13. Now divided by this division is this division line, starting for this division, divided by 10 over 12. We are taking it up. Now you have it to be equals to 10 over 13 times 12 over 13. Change division to multiplication. 12 will go to the numerator and numerator, which is 10 goes to the denominator, times 12 over 10 over 10. Is that okay? Now 10 cancel 10. You are left with 12 times 12, that's 144 over 169. 13 times 13 is 169. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.